big picture, we remain in a long-term buy signal above the 363.48 2.5-year channel top. Did signal 525.72 as 5 to 8 month objective. We're a month and a half into this because on the way up, we anticipated the rally to be contained or at least slowed down by this 480.26 7-month rising channel top, which did perform well several weeks ago in containing buying pressures. We collapsed back from here, maybe halfway back almost to the 363.48, a channel top. Holding below 480.26, you should allow for bearish retracement back into the 360s as a 1 to 2 month possibility. And our indication for sooner than later in reaching 525.72 would be a settlement this week above 480.26. 443.31. This simple descending channel top can contain daily buying pressures, and if we were to close above 443.31 today, I would expect with present volatility, this could be by Friday's close. 472.33 is on the daily chart what we find on the weekly chart at 480.26. And if we do close today above 443.31, this could be a 3 to 5 day rally. On an intraday basis, if we open today above 443.31, 458.56 would be attainable. And if we close once again above 443.31, by the end of the week, we reach and retest the 472.33 rising channel top on the weekly chart at 480.26. This area still able to contain buying through the rest of October into November, and from here we can still fall back to what is channel support now in the 360s. 443.31 is our pivot point for the week. It's a 3 to 5 day swing trade pivot point. It is sellable. From here we can fall back to the 409.92. This is your 3 to 5 day swing trade to the downside, selling 43.31 and buying back at 409.92. You can also buy 409.92 on kind of a 2 to 3 week basis where we could round up from here back into the 470s. I've mentioned that as we're testing the 480.26 formation, you might reach for 360, 370 strike out of the money puts that don't expire for at least 2 or 3 months on this 1 to 2 month downside play. Now, there's no clarity of testing the 363.48 level unless we were over the next few days, over the next week, to then close below 409.92. That is your aggressive down pivot through the rest of October. This 409.92 channel top. This is a solid technical support level. Now, we have yet to test that about 3 weeks in, but it is still the play. And inversely, you can buy 409.92, anticipating upward rotation perhaps back into the 470s, 480s. And that would be clarified, of course, with a settlement today above 443.31. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high-probability stock picks each week, complete with entry, stop, and targets. Standout names we've covered include GE Vernova, AMD, and Robinhood. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.